How's it going, guys? It's Kyle, the How-To Guy 123 here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to mute those annoying Spotify ads on Android. We're going to be using a new app called Mutify, which will detect when Spotify plays an ad between songs, and it'll mute it so we don't have to hear it. So the first thing we're going to want to do is open Spotify and head over to the settings. We're going to want to look for a setting that's called a device broadcast status. What this setting does is it allows other apps to see what songs you are listening to on Spotify. So just make sure that's enabled, and once the device broadcast status setting is enabled, you're just going to want to open your recent apps menu and completely close out of Spotify. Next, open the Play Store and you're going to want to search for the app called Mutify. The app is free to download, so once you find it, just go ahead and download and install it. Once Mutify is installed, before we actually go ahead and open it, we're just going to want to head over to the Android settings. So once you're in the settings, go ahead and tap on battery, then battery optimization, and then scroll down until you find Mutify. Once you find Mutify, go ahead and tap on it, and then set its battery optimization to don't optimize. If we don't change the setting to don't optimize, if the app has been running in the background for too long, Android will actually automatically close out of it and clear it from its memory, and then we'll start hearing ads on Spotify again. This setting may affect battery life, but it should be fairly minimal. So finally, we can actually go ahead and now open Mutify. The app is going to ask you to enable the device broadcast status in Spotify. We can just tap on I've enabled it, as we've done this beforehand. Finally, go ahead and tap on the switch to start muting ads. Mutify will now listen in on the songs playing from Spotify, and it will mute your volume when it detects an ad. We can now open Spotify or use the media controls in the app to start playing a playlist. If when you start a playlist it asks you to watch a short video for 30 minutes without ads, just click on no thanks and just let the music start playing. So I've went ahead and started a playlist here, and let's just see what happens when an ad starts to play. Alright, so Spotify just went ahead and started playing an ad, and Mutify actually went and muted the volume of the ad so we don't have to hear it. And once the ads are finished playing, Mutify will unmute your volume and you'll start hearing your music again. So one last final thing is, if you'd like to stop Mutify, just head back into the Mutify app and then tap on the mute ad switch to turn Mutify off. So that brings us to the end of the tutorial. If this video helped, leave a like. If it didn't, leave a dislike. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to help you guys out. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.